Girl, OMG, I think nahack ka. Nahack? Oo, pero don't worry, I know someone who can fix that. Hindi bakit iba yung profile bio at saka name mo sa TikTok? Kala ko naman kung ano. Hindi ako na-hack. Kasi alam mo naman na I love coffee. As in, hindi lang panggising sa akin to. Parang comfort ko na rin siya. Kaya naisip ko, bakit hindi ko i-share tong love na to para makatulong din sa totoong heroes behind every cup. Uy, grabe, relatable. Bakit? Ano meron sa farmers? Alam mo ba na most of our coffee farmers are already in their late 50s? As in, sila yung legit na OG sa kape. Decades na sa grind. Pero, konti na lang yung mga kabataang pumapasok. Kaya, if wala nang susunod, sino na yung mapapatuloy sa coffee culture natin? Oh, so hindi pala hack. Movement pala. Pero wait, paano sila tumutulong? Nescafe has been helping our coffee farmers for years with Nescafe Plan, kaya I'm teaming up with them to raise awareness about this movement. Shucks, nakakatawa! Pero, may kilala ka na ba na part ng movement na yan? Yes, si Vanessa Tejano from Bukidnon. Coffee farming runs in her blood. Anak siya na farmer and now she's studying agricultural technology. Part siya ng bawang henerasyon ng coffee farming and with the help of Nescafe Plant Support, she's even doing fertilizer research. Ang cool, no? Ay, farming na with innovation pa. I bet ko yan, Gen Z farmer na may pagka-scientist vibes. Parang agri-tech icon in the making. Exactly. Kaya nga starting today, I'll be sharing more about Vanessa's journey dito sa page para makita nyo rin how she's turning her passion into purpose. And later, magla-live tayo with her para naman marinig yung kwento straight from her mismo. Love it! Pero wait, ibig sabihin ba niyan, every time na umiinom ako ng kape, may ambag ako sa movement na to? Yes, yun yung maganda. Small acts like enjoying your cup can ripple into big change. Isipin mo yan, hindi lang sarili natin ang ginigising natin, pero pwedeng gisingin ng mundo ng next generation ng Filipino coffee farmers, ang ating bagong henerasyon. Cheers! So nice!
In the silence of the morning.
A girl with a beautiful face inside a beautiful cafe? Emma! Noong March 30, I went to the grand opening of the beautiful Bahay Flower and Cafe at the second floor Adobe Building, Parcal Mall, Asiana City. First thing that I've noticed, the whole ambience is very cozy and nice, breathtaking interior, very spacious yung place, and I was greeted with a lot of cute and elegant flowers. The program went smooth, nagkaroon ng ribbon cutting, owner made a speech, then nagkaroon din ng interview session with the content creators, kasama na ako ron. I had the chance to taste their pastries, the white flour cake, which is very soft and moist. It really melts in my mouth, plus it complements the fruits. The red velvet cake, which is very creamy and rich in flavor. And last but not the least, the mango moist cake. There's an aftertaste wherein it's pretty flavorful and heavenly. All the cakes are not too sweet, which I really appreciate, and lahat ng mga to bagay na bagay partner sa mga drinks na meron sila such as tea, coffee, and frappe. Aside from the cafe itself, you can also buy artificial flowers here. Amazing lang na everything looks realistic to the point na kahit sa malayo, kala mo totoong mga bulaklak sila. Pwede ka rito magpa-arrange, bumili ng per stem, and kahit mag-sightseeing lang. Overall, I just love the vibe of this cafe and would come back here not just because of the aesthetic but also because of the food and flowers. Now for the exciting part, screenshot this video plus the code BBFCROS as proof na pinanood nyo tong video na to, tapos ipakita nyo sa beautiful Bahay Flower and Cafe, and you can enjoy a free slice of premium Korean cake with a minimum purchase of 500 pesos on drinks and pastries. And that's it for this video. Enjoy and eat well. Yun lang, bye!
Ay, ang daming gagawin. Revisions here, revisions there, edit ng concepts, gagawa ng slants, tapos mag-film pa ako mamaya. Tapos, malapit na yung Christmas rush.
Hi guys! Welcome back to T21 Sessions! Bonus round! Draw a scene. It's fun team. Boss! Ako nga.
Okay. Nandiyan kayo na.
Sinabi mo nga talaga yun? Hindi! Thank you po! Go lang.
Nakakamiss naman yung kulitan na yun. Ikaw ha, you just reminded me na I should never forget to switch to relax mode kahit ang daming kailangan gawin. So sample nga na sayo dyan, Mika. Ayoko. Wala ako sa mood eh. Wala sa mood pero sumasayaw na. Baka next level na yan. May kanta na rin. Kasi depende sa mood, besh. Minsan sayaw lang, minsan full combo. May kanta, may forma, may todo energy. Siyempre, pag gusto mong bumida, dapat mix and match.
Combos, K-pop at reggae, we can mix to match your taste. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, 안녕하세요. Mag-Jollibee mix and match. So, sarap saya, sa Jollibee mix and match.
galing mo! May moves, may boses, may forma. Wala kang tapon. Siyempre, dapat sulit ang performance. Combo queen kaya to. Sakto parang mixin mo sa Jollibee. May main, may side. Swak sa saya at sulit sa rapa. Starts at 78 pesos.
May 42 delicious combos na you can enjoy. Available in all stores nationwide.
Mix to match your taste. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, 안녕하세요.
Sarap!
Walang motor pero todo ang angas. I got to witness Moveit's commitment to passenger safety firsthand, from the rider training and safety demos to how technology reinforces every trip. Hindi into improvements. Matagal na nakalagay ang safety safeguards ng Moveit at patuloy itong pinapalakas. Moveit's driver-led, tech-reinforced safeguards are in place and continually strengthened to keep every trip safe. May segment din sa event kung saan pinakita ang pasado bago pasada. Ito yung rider onboarding at assessment process na tinitiyak na pasado sa standards ang bawat rider bago bumiyahe. Identity checks and safety safeguards work together before every trip, kaya panatag ka na tama at verified ang rider mo. Tapos may emergency SOS button din para instant access to help and live support during a trip. Habang iniikot ko yung tech booths, na-realize ko na it's not just about convenience. It's about giving passengers like me peace of mind every time I ride. Move It showed me that safety isn't just a promise. It's something they truly live by. And as a passenger, that's all I could ever ask for.
Say hello to bright skin with Garnier Serum Cleanser. Lahat na papatingin gandang nagniningning. Natural na ganda'y ipandera. Try mo nang maniwala. See in one wash, bright skin kitang-kita. See in one wash, ganda'y pagkapagera. See in one wash, with Garnier you will see instant brighter skin. See in one wash, see in one wash. Garnier Vitamin C Power, now with a serum cleanser. That instant level up, right up. See in one wash, with Garnier you will see instant brighter skin. See in one wash, see in one wash.
Tagal na natin, no? 5 years?
Ganyan talaga kapag nagmamahalan.
Naalala ko tuloy, ang dami nating away nung magti 3 years na tayo.
Tama, and we almost broke up na dahil sa pagkain.
Nag-away sa pagkain, tapos naungkat na lahat ng mga hinanakit sa isa't isa.
So, ang ginawa natin, umupo tayo tapos pinag-usapan natin yung lahat.
Hi, after 5 years, we're still the same lovey-dovey.
No, not everything stayed the same.
May problema ba tayo?
Hindi ko lang talaga ito ma-bring up. Within those 5 years na magkasama tayo,
Nag-iba ako?
no love. Within those 5 years, I can see that the glow on your skin never changed.
Mahal naman eh. This is my secret. The Garnier Vitamin C Plus Booster Serum na palaging present sa skincare routine ko.
This serum has an improved formula of vitamin C, niacinamide, and salicylic acid para mas maging 30 times powerful than the classical vitamin C. This also claims to reduce 99% of dark spots and make the skin brighter.
Yung pala sikreto mo ha. Mamaya pag uwi natin, patry ako ha.
Oo naman babe, dapat from now on, kasama na to sa daily skincare botting natin kasi I also want to see a brighter you.
Kira,
Rafa,
you look good.
ikaw rin ang pogi mo.
Thank you. Sorry kung 5 minutes late ako ha. Medyo na-stress ako papunta eh.
Stress? Parang hindi naman eh. You look confident to me ah.
Ate!
Kabayo, ano ba? Bakit na paano ka?
Tulungan mo nga ako. May date ako pero hindi ako makapili eh. Ito o ito?
Kala ko naman emergency. Ay, ang black feel ko, mas gupings ka dyan.
Tapos ano pa partner ko? Ito?
Bagay naman.
Salamat te. Love you. Malilate na ako.
Nax, pogi ah. Teka, akala ko ba may date kayo? Eh bakit parang may baon kang asin? Ayan o, tignan mo yung balikat mo. Maligo ka ulit. But this time, choose better. Choose Head and Shoulders. Gamitin mo to, daily, okay? Oh,
Every wash is a choice. Choose the wrong shampoo, pwedeng bumalik ang dandruff. Head and Shoulders protects your scalp every wash for up to 100% dandruff-free and itch-free. Kaya skipping it, dandruff pwedeng bumalik.
Order na tayo?
tara. Ano yung nasa balikat mo?
Huh? May dandruff?
Ito lang pala.
Kainis. Cute mo.
Sinend ko na sa Gcash yung bayad ko, Mare ah. Salamat sa uulitin.
Naku, kalbo.
Grabe ka naman sa akin, Mama.
Nandito ka na?
Surprise! Hindi po ako yung padala ngayon kasi ako na yung dumating.
Ano?
Akala ko next year ka pa kasi ang mahal-mahal na pamasahe ngayon. Akala ko rin po next year pa kaso bigla na paaga tapos wala pa akong binayaran. Libre flight mo? Paano? Eh di dahil sa GCash Overseas, may promo kasi sila with Philippine Airlines. Talaga ba? Lahat ng GCash users sa US basta verified at ginagamit ang app from October 1 to November 30, may raffle entry for a chance to win round-trip tickets to the Philippines! Step 1, download, verify, and register your GCash account using your US Plus One number. Step 2, use the GCash features available in the US from October 1 to November 30 para magkaroon na agad ng entry for a chance to win round-trip tickets to the Philippines. Winners are announced this December 10, 2025. Yan ang tinatawag na milagro ng Pasko. Hay, amoy anak ko na ulit tong bahay, hindi na amoy kahon. Totoo po, pero ma, wag niyo muna hugasan yung kumot ko ha. Para maamoy mo pa ako pag alis ko. Huwag nang umalis. Kapag umalis ka pa, it's either magpapadala ka ulit ng balikbayan box, o ikaw yung ikakahon ko para hindi ka na makaalis dito sa bahay. Si mama ang drama, gutom lang yan po. Kaya join the GCash Overseas and PAL Raffle promo to win a trip back home.
And action!
Come back to the young and beautiful you.